Zebco Roam, all right? So this is what it looks like, comes apart. I just got it. I haven't had a chance to use this one yet. I'm gonna be taking it on vacation, but take a little bit closer look at it. Really nice, you know, I think I'm not a professional angler here, but I like it. I think it's very nice. I also like using bright colors. So I got the orange one, and then it comes in black and things like that, but I'm actually a big fan of bright colors. So yeah, it feels really good. I can't wait to use it. The action feels really nice. You know, one thing I've learned over the years is a lot of this stuff will last for a long time as long as you take care of it. Don't leave this thing outside. Don't let it get wet. You know, that's going to destroy it. It's going to get moisture in there. And yeah, then it's gonna stop working. You're gonna think, this thing's a piece of crap. Well, no, you just didn't take care of it. So this isn't like obviously the top of the line, but this should last a long time as long as I take care of it. And it kind of goes with a lot of stuff. But yeah, this is it. This is Zebco. Just wanted to make a quick video on here. Super excited. Can't wait to go fishing.